Hello girls, good morning everyone. So today we are starting with the class on the topic belanoglossus structure. Okay, so I think you have an idea on belanoglossus. Okay, this belanoglossus already we have completed yesterday classification. Okay, so belanoglossus under which it will become, yesterday we have seen the classification, right? So this is in the hemichordata first class, Enteronusta. In that example we discussed acorn worms like belanoglossus and sarcoglossus. Okay, so these general characters and hemichordata classification, it will be useful and important for the essay. Here the belanoglossus today we are discussing, it will be asked for short in examination point of view. So we will discuss about the structure of belanoglossus. Okay, so first I am going to discuss about the habit and habitat of belanoglossus. Okay, so here habit means what? Its nature. Habitat means where it lives. Okay, so place and habitat. Habit means their nature. So we are going to see the habit and habitat of belanoglossus here. The belanoglossus is a burrowing and exclusively marine animal. Okay, we are repeating and repeating this point. Hemichordates are lives in marine water. So this example belanoglossus is also is a burrowing. Burrowing means what? It lives under sand. Okay, so it burrows the sand and live under the sand. Okay, or mud. And exclusively it is marine animal. It is found in shallow waters. Okay, where it will found in the shallow water, not deeper. It lives in shallow waters. Belanoglossus is worldwide in distribution. That means it is cosmopolitan in distribution. At anywhere it will be found. Next, belanoglossus is tuberculous. Tuberculous means it lives in the tubes, okay, which is made by itself. Okay, belanoglossus animal which lives in tubes, so called tuberculous. Okay, that lives in U-shaped burrows. Okay, so these belanoglossus itself make a burrows. Okay, that too U-shaped burrows. In that it will be hiding. The walls of tubes are lined with mucus secreted by the mucus glands of the animal. Okay, so basically these animals will have a mucus glands, so that mucus gland secretes mucus. Okay, so I said no, the tube like structures, tubes will be found by itself. Now the tubes walls will be lined with the mucus secreted by the mucus glands. Next point, the burrows are open at both ends. Okay, so the belanoglossus will inject its proboscis onto the sand and it will be slowly run into the sand, and in U shape the burrow will be making. Okay, so like that the burrow will be opened at both sides. So in its burrow, belanoglossus lies in twisted condition. Okay, twisted means what? Like curve. Okay, rotating, their body in rotated condition. So in its burrow, belanoglossus lies in a twisted condition, but its anterior and posterior extremities are straight. Okay, so that means posterior and anterior both ends are straight, but in the middle part it will be twisted. So here we can see Knight Jones reported that, he is a scientist, reported that the animal moves in burrows with the help of cilia present all over the body. Okay, so these animals moves in burrow with the help of what? Cilia. So I think I already explained you that cilia, which is very important for the movement, okay, locomotion purpose. So that cilia all over the body will be present. So with the help of cilia it will be moved in the burrow. So this what the structure. Okay, belanoglossus present in U-shaped burrow. Okay, so here I think you can see the picture here. Okay, funnel opening for anterior end. This is the accessory anterior opening, and this is the anus. Okay, so this is the belanoglossus in burrow. Main U of burrow. Okay, sand. This is the sand, yellow color. Okay, So like this, the belanoglossus will hide under the sand in U-shaped burrow. Okay, this is the anus. Anterior and posterior end will be like straight. Okay, next coming to the external morphology of belanoglossus. So external morphology, what I said previously, the hemichordata bodies will be three-folded. Okay, that I will explain now. See here, the body of belanoglossus is soft, elongated, cylindrical. Okay, being richly ciliated all over. Okay, and covered with mucus. The body of belanoglossus is what? Soft and also elongated. Okay, and cylindrical, being richly ciliated all over. Okay, belanoglossus structure will be soft, elongated, cylindrical, and entire the body covered with what? Cilia. Okay, what is the function of cilia? It will help for the locomotion. And here it is also covered with mucus, because under the skin we can find the mucus glands. No, that mucus glands will secrete mucus. So these mucus only coat all along the tube to maintain the moisture of the body. And here the length of animals varies from 2 centimeters to 2.5 meters. Okay, so what is the measurement of the body of belanoglossus? It will be 2 centimeters to 2.5 meters. Okay, so most forms are drab colored. Okay, most of this belanoglossus body color will be drab colored. Drab means what? Dull colored. Okay, the belanoglossus will be dull colored, though reddish tints are present. Okay, this reddish tints means what? Something like a color. Okay, reddish tints, color. Tints means nothing but a color. Okay, so these reddish tints are present. Several species are luminescent. Okay, that means some of the species are luminescent. Luminescent means what? The emission of light. Okay, so this emission of light will be takes place by the form of cold radiation. Okay, this cold radiation nothing but actually, that means in the body the chemical reactions or electric energy will be released, due to that the light will be producing. Okay, that's why some species or several species are luminescent due to mucus. Okay, so they have an offensive odor. Okay, they will be smelling. The body is bilaterally symmetrical, right? In the previous classes, that means previously when we discussed this already, at that time we explained everything about the bilateral symmetry, radial symmetry, and also asymmetrical. Okay, everything. So bilateral symmetrical means what? Bilateral and bi means two. Okay, so bilateral symmetrical means the body can divide into two equal halves only in one plane. Like our body is also bilateral symmetrical, right? And divided into three regions. Their body is bilaterally symmetrical and also divided into three regions, like a proboscis. It is also called protostome. Okay, protosome. Some means body, proto means first body. Okay, so first part which is forming is proboscis, and the middle part is called collar, also called mesome. Mesome means middle, and trunk or metasome. Meta means after the collar, the region which is present is called trunk region. Okay, so like this the entire body is divided into proboscis, collar, and a trunk. Next, if we discuss about the proboscis sits in the collar somewhat like an acorn in its cup. Okay, so due to this character they are called as acornworms to the group, all groups. The mouth which is always wide open. Okay, the mouth which is present will be always wide open, and also that incapable of closing completely. Okay, the mouth cannot close completely. So where this mouth will be lies at the ventral side of the collar. Okay, the collar ventral surface we can find the lips. Okay, so this is the structure of belanoglossus. Can you see, girls? Okay, so this is the structure of belanoglossus. Here it is the proboscis, protosome, collar, mesosome, and this entire part or region is called as trunk region, also called metasome. Okay, So here we can find the proboscis collar, okay, which is very smaller than the trunk, okay, but the trunk region is very bigger, okay. So here we are discussing about the trunk, collar and proboscis. No, collar. The collar lies posterior to the proboscis and anterior to the trunk, okay. It is a short, wide, what, can you see girls? The collar lies posterior to the proboscis and anterior to the trunk, exactly, right? So here this is the trunk, okay, posterior, and this is the proboscis, anteriorly located. So posterior to the proboscis, collar, anterior to the trunk is collar, okay. So that's what we are saying here. The collar lies posterior to the proboscis and anterior to the trunk. That means it is located in between the proboscis and trunk. It is short cylinder, usually about as wide as long, and mostly shorter than proboscis, although sometimes longer, okay. It might be this collar part will be smaller only than proboscis, but sometimes it will be, in some species it will be little big, okay. The functional significance of the cavities and water pores in the proboscis and collar may best be explained through a description of the burrowing habits, okay. So by seeing the burrowing habits of the belanoglossus, we can clearly explain about the cavities and water pores in proboscis and collar. So what I mean to say here, in the proboscis and collar we can find some cavities and also water pores, okay. By the help of these cavities and water pores only, by utilizing the cilia, the body can move from one place to other place, okay. So for that I am saying the significance of cavities and water pores in the proboscis and collar will be explained through a description of the burrowing habits. Next point, if we see, when on surface of the sandy bottom, belanoglossus pushes the tip of the proboscis into the